In the neon-lit sprawl of 2026, data is the new currency, and OpenClaw is the vault. Surpassing React's decade-long star record in mere months, this project isn't just a tool, it's a movement. We are looking at a self-hosted AI gateway that bridges your personal LLM to every messaging app you use, from WhatsApp to Matrix, all under your total control. 250,000 stars, 100,000 reached in under 2 weeks. These aren't just numbers, they're a signal that the developer community is tired of cloud-locked AI. For the price of a $4 monthly VPS, you can bypass the corporate gatekeepers and run your own private intelligence network across 25 different platforms simultaneously. OpenClaw utilizes a gateway-first philosophy. Unlike agent-centric models, OpenClaw prioritizes the messaging infrastructure itself. It acts as a central control plane for AI sessions, routing your queries through a single Node.js process. This ensures that your assistant's context remains consistent, whether you are texting on Signal, DMing on Discord, or emailing via Slack. Your AI's identity lives in the workspace. By editing simple markdown files like agents.md and soul.md, you define the behavior and personality of your assistant. This modular approach allows you to swap models, from Claude to Gemini, without losing the core soul of your personalized digital companion, making the AI truly yours. The gateway configuration is handled via YAML. You can toggle between local and VPS modes, set your port, and define which LLM provider to use. Note the loopback setting. It is crucial for security when running locally to prevent unauthorized external access to your AI's core logic, while ensuring the WebSocket server remains reachable. Connecting to platforms like Telegram is straightforward. You just enable the channel in your config and provide the bot token. The allowed users list is a vital security feature, ensuring that only you, and not the entire internet, can interact with your self-hosted instance and access your local files or tools. Getting OpenClaw running is a one-liner for most systems. You can use the automated install script or clone the repo for a manual build using pnpm. Once the setup is complete, you initialize your workspace and fire up the gateway. The system immediately begins listening on port 18789 for incoming session requests. The system is built on 4 distinct pillars. The gateway manages the WebSocket server and routing. Workspaces house the agent's identity. Skills provide specialized behaviors through YAML front matter. Finally, channels act as the plugins that bridge the gap to external messaging protocols, like WhatsApp or Discord. OpenClaw supports over 25 platforms out of the box. This includes major players like WhatsApp and Telegram, but also privacy-focused apps like Signal, and professional tools like Slack or Microsoft Teams. Even iMessage is supported on macOS via a dedicated bridge, making your AI accessible from any device you own. The ecosystem is exploding thanks to ClawHub. With over 5,700 community-contributed skills, you can teach your agent to manage emails, automate browsers, or review code. These skills are injected into the prompt only when relevant to the current task, preventing context bloat and keeping your API costs to a minimum. OpenClaw is the definitive answer to AI privacy and fragmentation. By centralizing your AI interactions into a single, self-hosted gateway, you reclaim control over your data while gaining a superpower that follows you across every device. It represents the shift from AI as a service to AI as personal infrastructure. Ready to build your own AI command center? The era of corporate-dependent AI is over. Check out the complete installation guide, explore the thousands of available skills, and start self-hosting your future today. Find the full technical breakdown and more at effloow.com.